something to eat. It's time to eat. Look at it. I just said to somebody the other day, I'll be back. I just said something the other day. See that? You want to know how my change thingy gets full so quick? I find change on the ground all the time. People will throw a nickel away. Hell, they'll even toss a penny out the window. They won't even save it. It's only a penny. Well, just think about it. If you got one penny, you only need 99 more to go to get $1. Oh, but anyway, we're gonna go inside, get something to eat. We flew our drone. Hopefully you guys will like that. I guess we'll go this way. Over there's the Loves. Now we'll go this way. He's trying to back. We don't want to get in his way. But now we flew over there. That's over there by the toll. Then we flew over by the Flying J. People kind of look at you when you're talking to a camera. I love it, man. Look what they did. The whole entire front row, all the way down on both sides, is reserved parking. Yep. That's probably 1/4 of their parking lot here. Yep. Anyway, I'm gonna go and get something to eat. We'll be right back. I hate being ignored. She walked in here like 3 times, never saw me over here. Just talking to somebody else. See how long we're gonna sit here. We got in here at 5 minutes after 5. Just curious how long it's gonna take them to see me.
No, I was in orders, man. There are the big.
I don't try to be rude. In other words, I don't try to go up and get my food before I'm seen. But sometimes you've got to, right?
No more drinks over here, huh?
Okay, somebody's coming. I'll be right back. Steak night. Steak night. What is this? Same thing. Steak. Oh, that's soft. Oh, I know veggies. I know veggies. Yeah, and no vegetables. Huh. Yeah.
As soon as all that got down into the football or the whatever you go,
Let's have supper.
my buddy smacked up the
Have a little bit of supper.
Primo weed, right? As soon as he smacked you on the back, everything just goes great. It's really cool. Here's the thing. When I grew up, I didn't like beer. I just like alcohol. Nothing for me. And I saw a lot of people wanting to wake up feeling shitty in the morning. You don't wake up. Do it an hour. So let me tell you what. If you smoke pot, or if you drink beer and smoke pot, you're going to get in trouble. I'm telling you. But that wasn't my policy. But I'll tell you this much. I used to go out and drink Mountain Dew and coffee. Coffee at a bar when I went out. Yeah.
Be high as shit.
Be high as shit. But I'll tell you what, you put these two in sugar and it's just coffee. You drink 6 or 7 of them in a night. And every hour or so go outside and take a couple bits off the joint. There's a good time. It's almost, it's not the intensity, it's like being on cocaine without the freak out. Without the high intensity of the way it is. You know what I mean? Cocaine is fires you up, make you hear your heart.
I've only did it 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, me too. I
never paid for it.
We'll be right back.
I've never either. Honest God.
Well, guys, this is the shower room here in Carlisle. I guess I've been saying it wrong. It's Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Yep. Hi, everybody. But we're gonna get us a shower. I know I showed you our supper last night, but there's a gap there. So we're gonna go have breakfast. I'll show you the breakfast buffet coming up in just a few minutes. Oh yeah. And just like that, focus camera, focus. Abracadabra, there we go. We are clean. We got us a shower. So we're gonna go have some breakfast and we'll be right back. This is the breakfast buffet. See if it's worth taking. Where's the eggs? Oh, over there. Let's say, where's the eggs? Are the biscuits soft? I guess about as soft as you're gonna get. Somebody said on one of my videos that the food didn't look too good. You know what? We have to eat it though. So we make the best of it. Now the food you saw last night was supper. Let's grab us some bacon, man. I like bacon. I like good bacon. You guys know that. I've cooked it in my truck. Couple of sausages. Chicken for breakfast. Hope I don't get a copy strike. They're playing music in here. Grab us a few of these mushrooms. I love mushrooms. How about a little bit of onion? I like onion. Now we're gonna go back over here and get some more of this gravy. Put that over my eggs. Okay, let's go eat. Well, I know it ain't much of a video, guys, but you know, it is what we did. Some of it was from yesterday, some of it this morning. But I'm showing you whatever, you know. It is a gloomy, rainy day now. Yep. And they say it's only going to get worse. But we're traveling today. I'm not going to wait till this evening. We're going to take off here in a minute. And we're going to go ahead and head down to Delaware. There'll be video, of course, obviously. And that'll be up tomorrow. So, that delivers on Monday. So, but anyway, hope you enjoyed this little segment. We flew our drone yesterday too, but we had already put that up. So, you can go in there and see that. That's Carlisle. See, I'm saying it right now. But that's Carlisle in Pennsylvania at the Petro. We'll be right back. Or, yeah, we'll be right back. Go ahead and call it a day, and because I mean, we're not done for today, but I showed you a little bit between yesterday and today, and eating and different little things. Hey, you guys want to say hi? Well, wait a minute, they're trying to attack the camera. Are you trying to attack the camera? Are you trying to attack the camera? Oh, Panda, she's coming after you guys. Huh? What you doing, Jake? I know it's a little dark in here. I don't have the light hooked up to this one, but what you got? What you packing back there? What you got? Your stuffy? You got your stuffy? Huh? You got your stuffy, don't you? Oh, you got your stuffy? And what you doing? Where'd Jake go again? Jake, you keep moving on us, buddy. Where you going? Where you going? But we're gonna go ahead and get out of here and go ahead and put up this little video. About 5 o'clock I'm taking off. We're on our way to Delaware, so there'll be another video tomorrow, and basically it's driving to Delaware, picking up our load, and with that load we're going to York. So I don't know how far we're gonna get tonight. We got to Monday to get there, but we're gonna go as far as we can anyway. So part of it will be a night video as well. But anyway, good news, man. Now you got to understand when I say this, I was a partner with well, I was a partner with Freedom. I don't know if you guys ever heard of them or not, but they're a partnership that you could partner with, and they pay you. But what it is, instead of being a partner with YouTube, you're a partner with somebody else, and they pretty much take like 60% of your pay, give you 40%. But I got my first check. Well, I should say my first check. I got one other check, but that's long before I went to Freedom, right? But since I've been back to YouTube as a YouTube partner and not a Freedom partner, I got my first, well, they showed me my first pay. And let me tell you, it very well impressed me. It really did. And I'm going to tell you, it's really got me inspired about getting these videos up, because we're not going to drive a truck forever. And eventually we're going to be retiring. And when we do retire, we're not going to sit in no house or any apartment or anything like that, just sit around and watch ourselves rust. But my plan is, and I'll tell you straight up what it is, my plan is to eventually, one of these days, we'll be actually driving around in an RV. And that's our plan. And let me tell you, when that happens, oh, it's going to be unlimited on the videos, because with the truck I can only, well, I'm under a schedule, right? I got to deliver a load, so a lot of it is driving. But when I get myself into that RV, I'm going to be able to go places I never could with the truck, and I'm going to be able to show you so much more and go places. And I'm really going to start depending on some of that YouTube money, because hey, it takes gas to fill the RV. And I'm not saying I can't pay for my own stuff, but I'm going to be relying on that. So I guarantee you that I got a video every day, and I guarantee that I'm going to show you what I can show you, and I guarantee that my camera is always going to be on, because that's the only way that we can make that possible. That's the only way we can make that possible. And it takes you guys to watch my videos, to share them, let them know that we're out here, because guess what? Trucker Jukebox, we're not going nowhere. We're here for the long haul. We're definitely here for the long haul. So keep watching, keep sharing, and keep giving me the thumbs up. Even if you give me a thumbs down or a negative comment, I ain't taking nothing down, because that is, well, YouTube, if the video is a real negative comment, YouTube is going to take that down. I won't even have to. It's the new policy that they've got now. So not only are we watching the comments, but they're watching them as well. It's okay to have your opinion about something, but if you got to go in there and use the F word and all this and get vulgar, I won't have to pull you out of there. YouTube will. And in order to watch or be able to comment on a YouTube, you have to have it. You got to be signed into YouTube. So if they take that away from you, you'll be able to watch videos, but you won't be able to comment on anybody's video. And if you try to make another channel, well, they can spot that, and they'll just take that down too. So you want to behave. You don't want to go on there and not only that, but think about the kids. And I think that's why they're doing it. That's the new policy. There's kids that are out there that watches the videos, and they comment too. If they can write, read, or whatever, they go down there and they comment as well. So, and they can read. So to protect minors, that's why that is why YouTube is actually doing that. So they're watching the comments as well. So if you go in there and you start cursing and all this, they're gonna take you out. But anyway, we are excited. We're going to have adventures, a lot of adventures coming up, and when I do stop driving this truck, we're still going to keep traveling. It's just going to be in a different way. Wow, ain't that cool? I'm here for the long haul, guys. I really am. But anyway, with that being said, thank you for watching. We're going to go ahead and put up this video. Stay tuned tomorrow. You'll see our trip going to Delaware, and between here and Delaware, and wherever we go from that point. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.